sometimes a modern configuration won't do. So we're going for straight up for an Amiga 500. ECS OCS base. It's an OCS. Except if it needs ECS with 512K low and 512K regular. And see, this time it works. A good old Starfield from 1989. It's cold outside, damn. He says press left mouse button. I'm pressing my left mouse button. Yeah, I guess I have to. Ah! The techno. I am fine. Last day off, tomorrow back to work. How long did you have off, Kraxi? I mean, basically last day off means you're going to chill here for a little bit and then you're going to go full-on farming simulator. 5 days, nice. What about some little help for the game? Okay, well, let's see. Do you want unlimited lives? I'm pressing N. Wait, so here my fingers hovering over an N. No. No? You have to be one of those hardcore chop and run guys. This game is too hard without cheating. And what about some level cheating? No. If you don't want it, you have it too. Just joking, no level cheat this time. Thanks for using this version. Greetings to Major Rom and Onyx. This game has some pretty nice graphics, so take a look at them. This was called Beat to the Pop. Why is it giving me such a story? I just want to play the game. Okay, Fly Fighter. Has no emulation score. OG score is 893,400, so quite a lot. So we're just populating. Level 1. I have no idea what this game is, by the way. I have no idea. Never seen it, never played it. Yeah. It's a mouse game? No, it's just loading probably. Okay. What is this game even? What are we playing here? What? This game has some nice graphics, they said. What is the... What do we do in this game? And why am I being chased by that fucking cat now? Get out of here. And does the game have cheats on now? Because see, if I do nothing... Oh, you lose energy. Fuck, you lose energy. Okay, my bad. I can't get up there. I don't have a jump designer. Oh, it is now? Do you know the game, Bren? How does it work? Am I losing HP or is a cheat on? I really don't know. What? How did I do that super jump? Whoop. 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 I did a super jump. Never saw this game in my life. Ah, there you go. Okay. Okay, I don't even need to be here. I mean, they help you super jump. I don't know how I do this, but I'm doing it some way or another. Okay, there... What? Oh. It's like Shadow Dancer. If you hold down your fire button, you can traverse the planes. What? What? 」 Never saw this game in my life. I don't think any one of us missed something out by not having seen that game before. They can't even hit you. Okay, that's also cool. Ooh. Hey, I'm caught a lot of flies and I have to fight bats. Okay, now we got other weapon. Wah! Wizard! Now we got orbs. Okay, there's a real fly. No, it's a wasp, but we call it a fly now. Whatever. For the sake of the game, it is a killer insect. Oh, we got mega electricity now. Look at the damage. Killing everything. Oh, I'm glad that I'm fighting this. I'm dead. It's zooming in. It's setting me back there for whatever reason. Let's go to the mausoleum. And get stars. Want a cup of tea, Jake? Yeah, why not? Thank you. This is the weirdest game. Or nah, I cannot say it's the weirdest game because our list had some really weird games already, but this is there. We're just gonna put the score up so people never have to wonder if they wanted to score on this game themselves. See, there's even like Michael Jackson's Thriller enemies. You got everything in here. But we're gonna get the G, which is gonna give us more points, it seems. But on the other hand, I love the Amiga for its simplicity on some games. I'm not saying that this is good now, but it's an experience, you know? And I like the sound effects. They're also very pleasing. That a bee is just sounding like your computer's dying. Maybe they released this game called as FlyMaster and then they were like, okay, nobody wants to play this. Let's re-release it and call it Scorpion. Oh, of course there's dwarfs now. You would call it a public service. I call it I'm putting an example on it because this is not stomach. Nah, nobody can stomach this game. Like, what is happening here? And those phallic things on the ceiling, they don't do anything for anyone. I'd rather drink the juice of a can of black beans than try to beat this game. That goes a long way saying something like that. Trust me. A can of black beans? Oh no, there was a life. Now it's gone. That's not fair. I got a fish now. Okay. Now we have to kill the dwarfs. Let me crouch towards you, dwarfs. I got a present for you, Skull Sentinel. Oh. The ominous G. Everyone knows it and loves it. Cat came by to spend a visit. You thought you're gonna come back here. Oh, I died because I tripped on a bone. That's just normal. That's everyday life in FlyMaster. Oh, and for a short moment, I had electricity, or he does. I don't know. This game is everything I ever wished for. Everything I ever wished for to end. Maybe this game had a valid version on the C64 or something. See, I could imagine a game from the C64 and they're just trying to be fancy, give it some more color. Hello. Yes? I'm getting tea. Okay.
Yeah.
What a service, huh? Streamer life. And Panthera's like, hello. Oh. Okay. Is it its eye, or what do I have to shoot, though? Where is its hitbox? Oh, it's dead. Never mind, we just shot everything. When in doubt, shoot everything. The world record on this game, by the way, is 893,000, so I think we might beat it, although it's unpopulated, and just make a new world record for Fly Fighter. This is gonna move on my CV. Certified full stack developer and Fly Fighter finisher. Of course, we now have wolves, which sound like Chewbacca. Oh, and there's UFOs now. And ATSTs? ATSTs and wolves. Yeah. I remember this scene from Star Wars. When he was chased by the ATSTs and the human tanks. Can I even beat these? What do you want from me, game? I'm totally confused as what you expect from me. What do you expect me to do? I'm dead, but I still got one life. This one life will help me achieve world record supremacy in Fly Master. R2D2, totally normal in the winter world. I really would love to see though where this game goes after you played it enough. Like, what else did they come up with? Uh-huh, okay, he's coming in with the jet ski pretty hot. He came in with the jet ski pretty hot. What? Whip, 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 whip. Oh, that's some points. Oh, no, 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 no. What do I need to do to be allowed to go up here and get those points? Come on. I need to kill you, G-Man? I don't want to know, I think. I think the whole game will be the same. It is a very experimental piece of software. Okay, so the game is broken. Apparently, here you cannot even jump up. So the big question is, can I maybe? You can get stuck in the wall. Okay. All I want is that fucking score item. Why won't the game let me have it? Because you can't climb? Come on, it's a bait. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna get it. Whatever this game is, we're just gonna play it till we die. Oh. Goodbye. What is this grabber? What an exciting game. People said Turrican 2 was breathtaking. I don't think Turrican 2 is anymore in the game after this. $1,014,600. Nice. Whatever this was. It was a one and done experience. I hope you're happy, Level Up, that we populated the board for this game. No one's ever going to do this again. How long it takes to tell you it's game over. GG and 1 million, this record will stand for a long time. I do imagine, and I hope this stays true. But DMS made a whooping 50 million. 5 million. They made 5 million. I just did 1 million. Even John Law did a free. I just did 1.